ever pondered over the calculation of a process's cycle time? The cycle time, a critical measure in process management, tells you the time taken by a process to produce one output. It's a key component in unraveling the efficiency of any process. Today, we're diving into the simple yet insightful world of cycle time calculation. First things first, gather the necessary data. To calculate cycle time, you need two specific pieces of information: the total time taken for the process and the total number of outputs produced. Think of a bakery churning out loaves of bread. The total time might be the total hours the bakery operates in a day, while the total number of outputs would be the total number of loaves produced in that day. Once you have these two pieces of data, it's time to proceed to the next step, which is the actual calculation. The formula to calculate cycle time is straightforward. Cycle time equals total time divided by total outputs. Plug in the numbers from your data into this formula. The total time should be in the same units as the desired cycle time. If you're looking to find out the cycle time in minutes, make sure your total time is also in minutes. For instance, if a bakery operates for 8 hours a day and produces 400 loaves of bread, the total time in minutes would be 8 times 60, which equals 480 minutes. The total outputs would be 400 loaves. So, the cycle time would be 480 minutes divided by 400 loaves, which equals 1.2 minutes per loaf. This means that the bakery takes, on average, 1.2 minutes to produce one loaf of bread. Remember that cycle time is an average value. It's a general measure of how long a process takes to produce an output. Of course, individual processes within the larger process may vary in time, but cycle time gives a good overall view of efficiency. To sum it up, calculating cycle time involves two main steps. First, gather the necessary data, which includes the total time taken for the process and the total outputs produced. Second, plug these numbers into the cycle time formula, which is total time divided by total outputs. Understanding the cycle time of a process can provide significant insights into the process's efficiency and productivity. It's a simple calculation with profound implications. So the next time you're analyzing a process, make sure to calculate the cycle time. It might just reveal the key to optimizing your process.